Hello and welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's your bestie Jessica here with another amazing video for you. Today, I'm going to be talking about this platform called the Lagos Game. Okay, so on this platform, you play games to earn on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through the registration process up to the withdrawal process, where I'll be showing you a live withdrawal and when the money hits my account. So without saying anything much, let's head straight to the video. So starting with the registration process, as usual, you need a referral link to register on the site, which I've already copied to my clipboard, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. The referral link to the site will be in the description and comment section of this video. So ensure to click on the link and register an account on Lagos Game. Okay, so it's exclusively available to just Nigerians. Okay, so let's click on paste the code I copied, the referral code. This is the referral code, the referral link rather. So I'm going to click on forward to register an account. Registering an account is very easy. Okay, it's very easy to register an account on the Lagos Game app. So yeah, so you can see here where it says okay, sending us to check in. I think there's daily check in for you to win money. So let me just keep that. So you can see here we have a spin wheel. Okay, so we can just click on the center to spin the wheel. But what it's saying here now is that we need to have an account in order for us to perform that action. So let's create an account. You can try to create an account through this place where it says create an account, or you go up there where it says sign up. Okay, so let's click on create an account. So let's put in our phone number. Like I said, it's only available to Nigerians. So let's put our phone number. Put a password. Let's put in our password. Okay, so successfully put in my phone number and my password, and I've also confirmed my password, and I've put in my real name. Here it says we should put in our real name. I've put in the name that I want to put there. You can decide to be your real name, but I'll be going for this, and then you can see the referral code here. Okay, so if you use the referral link, the code will automatically appear in this place. So you tick I'm 18 years old, and I've read and agreed with the user agreement. Okay, so I'll click on create an account. Okay, registered successfully. You can decide to save your sign-in info or your login details, or you can decide to just keep that. So guys, this is our account. Yeah, this is our account, guys. We're done with the registration process. It's as easy as that. So let me just quickly walk you through the dashboard. All right, so as you can see here, we have the games that we can play on the app below here. These are the games that you can play on the app, because you play games on this app to earn. Okay, so check in 7 times to claim. Okay, you need to fill both the Richard and Betty requirements checking. All right, so you can decide to play any of these games to earn on the site, but the first thing you have to do is to recharge on this site. Okay, you have to recharge on this site before you can play the games on the app. So here we have bonus. These are the interfaces below. So these are the promotion we have here. You check in to receive the rewards. You have VIP bonus as well. So here we have invite. Okay, you can decide to invite your friends here. You just copy your referral link. Note, this is not the referral link you have to use. The referral link you have to use to register on the site, I'll be leaving it in the description of this video, so use that one. Okay, so you can copy your referral link here. You can monitor your team from this section. Use the referral code as well. So here we have deposit. Okay, if you're interested in depositing, there are actually 2 ways to deposit on the site. You can click here to deposit on the site. You can click here. You can decide to click here where you have the deposits interface there. You can also decide to click on the wallet side here to deposit on the Lagos Game app, and the minimum withdrawal to deposit on the app is 2,000 naira. Okay, so that's, we have the deposit here. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira. I'll be showing you how to recharge on the site. So then the last one here, you have your profile. Okay, so this is your profile. You see your name, your everything about you, your wallet, your records, reports, and the likes, and you can decide to log out from here. Okay, so this is just the dashboard on the site. Now let's head to how you can deposit on the site. Then afterwards, how to play games, and lastly, how to withdraw on the site. All right, so how do you recharge or deposit on this app? Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do that real quick. You click on here where you have the wallet. Like I told you, there are 2 ways to this. You can use the wallet there, or you can use the deposit function. So as you can see here, you can see deposit amount. All right, and you can see here that you're seeing extra 500 naira if you deposit 5k. Please click on where it says I do not need the bonus. It's very important. Okay, you can see here you have extra bonuses that you receive. So do not click do not recharge using that. First of all, you click on I do not need the bonus. Okay, when you click on I do not need the bonus, that extra whatever will disappear. It's important so you don't have issues with withdrawing your funds, because that's extra money that you're seeing there. And if they give you that extra money to you, they will give a requirement before you can withdraw that money you get. So to make this easy for you, do not recharge with the bonus. So now let's try. Let's say we are recharging a million naira now. Look at the depositing rules, or the look at the deposit rules below. Okay, so when you're ready, you choose any of the method that you have. They have different banks that you can make the payment to, different deposit methods. So you click on one and then click on recharge now. All right, so let's say we are depositing a million naira to the account now. So you can see here it says pay with transfer, make a single transfer. Okay, it says transfer. Make a single transfer from your bank to the account number you see here. Copy the account number, make the payment to the account number, confirm the bank name, and then confirm the account name. Then you click off I have paid check. Now, when you have made the payment, please make sure you made the payment first before you then click I have made the payment. And you can see here it says this account is valid for one time. Please do not transfer multiple times. You can only transfer once to this account. Once you transfer once, that is it. Okay, that is it. Then you click on I have paid check now, so you can then be able to see the money, in your bank account, in your accounts here. All right, you see it in your balance here, just like you can see that I have a balance of 25,000 naira here. So that's, guys, that's basically how to deposit on the Lagos game app. All right, so how do you play games on this site to earn? Okay, so you simply play games with the money you've deposited to this account, and then it multiplies, it increases, okay, whenever you win. All right, so note it's a win or lose kind of thing. Okay, so you can win, you can lose, so you have to be careful. So here we have a balance of 100,000 naira. So let's click on a game, or let's choose a game to play. Okay, we are used to sites like this. Okay, so you may remember this game here called Fortune Tiger. Let's just click on that one and then play the Fortune Tiger game. Okay, so it's loading. Started to load, so it is loaded. Let's click on get started. Voila, this is our dashboard, and let me walk you through briefly what this stuff means here. So here we have the center where we click when you want to play the game, and then you choose the amount. You can decide to click play using Togo, okay, or you can decide to play normal, and then here it's gonna our wins are gonna be reflected here, or it's gonna reflect in this place, and then the amounts that you can use to play the game is what we have in the center. So let's get started with playing the game. All right, you can decide to play you can decide to use auto feature, okay. Let me highlight that for you. So you decide to click on auto, so the game plays on its own. And here you increase the amount that you want to use for playing the game, and then you decrease the amount here. So this is increasing the amount. You can see that the amount you want to use to play this game has increased, and if you decrease it, you see it has reduced. So let's start with 250. So I click on the center. Did we record a win or we recorded a loss? I think we recorded a loss. So just like I said, it's a win or lose kind of thing. So let's try to increase the bit again and play. Okay, so guys, you can see that here I won playing with bet. I used 150 to play the game, so I won here. So you can tell, you can lose, you can win. That's just, as you can see here, the money is reducing by my left corner, my balance is reducing, and my balance can increase. So it's all by luck. Okay, so it was reduced again. Didn't record the win there. Let me use 100 naira to play this time. Okay, so I think I did not win again. That's just basically how to play the game, guys. So let's click on Fortune Ox. Let's click on Fortune Ox and play the Fortune Ox game. Okay, so now let's click and see it get started. Alright, so it's similar to the Fortune Tiger. So let's reduce our balance here. Let's start with something smaller. Let's start with 80. We are left with 97,400. Okay, there was a reduction again. Let's increase it a bit. Play with it. Okay, so we recorded the win, guys, as you can see. So I'm not going to be wasting my funds in playing games, you understand? Playing more. So we won here, guys. So you can decide to play, you can decide to stop, you can decide to continue. All right, so it all depends on you. All right, so we recorded on that win here. So it seems like this Fortune Ox is preferable. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's basically how to play the game on the Lagos game site. Finally, how do I withdraw my earnings from the Lagos game app? Okay, so I click on where I have my profile here, and then I was brought with this. As you can see, I have 25,000 naira as my balance here. Okay, now I'm going to be withdrawing it live to show you guys how I withdraw, and then when it gets into my bank account. So I'm going to click on where I have withdraw. Okay, so yeah, it says I'm withdrawing for the first time, so I need to set my withdrawal password before I can carry out the withdrawal. So you can decide to use your login password just so you don't forget the password, you can use it as your withdrawal password as well. So let me do that. I'm gonna set my withdrawal password behind camera right now. Okay, so the login password it gives me the chance to put in a combination of number, but you only have the chance to put in I think six um digit or six number password here. But I made use of a digit, okay, combination of number that I know I cannot forget. So it's not necessary for it to be the same as the login password, but just so your login password is longer than the space provided here, you can just decide to create a digit password for your withdrawal password that you can never forget, okay? And you can decide to write it down somewhere. Alright, so I'm going to click on save, put in my login password and then my withdrawal password. So now I'm going to set my bank account. Okay, as you can see here, it says set the bank account, and the minimum amount for you to withdraw is 2,000 naira. Okay, and the limit per day I think is 999,999. So and there is no fee. All right, no fee for withdrawal. So I'm gonna set the bank account right now. Okay, so you're going to click on when you have Adi Konar Konta. I don't know what language that is, but that's how you're going to add your bank account. So you click on it, it says withdraw account, 0 out of 1. So we're going to be adding one. See where it says add new bank account below here. You click on add new bank account. You say you should put in our withdrawal password. Let's do that real quick. Alright, so I've already put in my withdrawal password. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so now the card provider. What bank? You have the opportunity to use any bank. I'm going to be putting, let's use PalmPay. Let me just use my OPay, so it's going to be shown on this device because my PalmPay is on this device. So bank account, my bank account, account number, free to send funds. So then the name as the owner of the account. So I've put in my bank details, my bank account, and then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so as you can see here, my bank account has been added. So I'm just going to click back, because to go back. So I'm going to click on withdraw now. And you can see that my bank account has been added already. So I'm going to put in the amount I want to withdraw. I'll be withdrawing all I have on my wallet. Okay, so like I said, there's no fee. I'm gonna keep putting my withdrawal password. As you can see here, I'm going to receive the exact 25,000 naira, and there's no fee at all. Okay, so I've put in my withdrawal password now, so I'm just gonna click on confirm. Alright, so pending review. I'm gonna come back when they have made the payment into my account. I was told that you withdraw from this platform. I think in space of a minute you should be getting to your bank account. So let's wait and see. Okay, so I finally got the payment into my OPay account, as you can see here. I refreshed my app again and you can see that it's still there. So I'm gonna click on the receipts right now. So you can see it says transfer from OT Game Digital Solutions Limited. Okay, and this was the payment I got from the Lagos game. As you can see here, it said the remark withdrawal processed from Paga account, just Paga it. So guys, this is the withdrawal. It came in faster than expected. So yeah, that's basically how to withdraw from the Lagos games app. Okay, so I'm back to my wallet to check my withdrawal records to confirm the payment. Okay, not just showing you a withdrawal proof, but let's check on my account. Okay, so click on withdrawal records. So you can see here it says transferred. Are you seeing it? Meaning the payment has been successfully processed, guys. So alright, so that's basically it, guys. That's all about the Lagos game app. From the registration process up to the withdrawal process. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section, and do not forget to join the group that I created for this app, so you can join and there will be someone there who will attend to your questions and explain more about this platform on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so I believe you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you're new, please subscribe to the channel if you love content on how to make money online. And
Do not forget the little bell icon, smash it. So whenever I upload videos on YouTube, you'll be the first to get notified and you can enjoy the content that I have for you guys. So do not scroll away yet. Head on to my channel and watch other videos. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.